If you read Revelation chapter 12, verse 7, there was war in the heavens. Michael and his angels fought against the devil and his angels. While there is a war taking place in the heavenly realm, there is also a war taking place in the earthly realm, where Revelation chapter 12 verse 10 says that the saints on the earth rejoice greatly because they have won the war. So there's some kind of a war that is going to take place in the last days. Do we know that? We don't. See, we are not prepared for the last days. The church, the present day church, does not teach all these things. There's a martyrdom that's coming for the end time remnants. Is this taught? This is not taught. Are you prepared? You are not prepared. So when you're faced with death, what will you do? Are you going to stand up or are you going to renounce?